So this is how to fix the DayZ freezing issues. Make sure to follow my steps. Firstly, you should go to the upside arrow on the Windows taskbar and then make sure you have no Steam icon displaying. If you do find that, right click and select Exit Steam. After that, go to the Windows icon, select it and then search for settings. It will be displaying like this. So go to the Windows update. After that, make sure to select download and install all. If you do find any failed updates, make sure to get rid of that and install all the missing updates available. Now once done, go to the search and type in device manager. It will pop up like this, so look for display adapters, open that and select your graphics card, right click and then select update driver. Now the first option, click on it and click close. Next, go to the Windows taskbar and right click, select task manager. From here, you need to make sure that you have the CPU and your memory usages under 100%. In order to do that, make sure to browse through the processes available right here and make sure to right click and then select end task for every suspicious or useless application that you will find here. For example, the gaming services for Xbox, you don't need that. Next, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. You should find the NVIDIA app displaying. If you don't find it, make sure to download it from their official website. Open that. After that, go to the left menu and select drivers and click on the install button appearing. Now leave it as default as I recommend and then click on continue in order to start the process of the updating your graphics card driver. Then go to settings in the left menu and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. Once done, close everything. Now you need to open the Steam launcher. After that, you'll be redirected to the store, so go to the view option in the top left corner and select on library. From here you need to look for DayZ. It must be installed in your device, otherwise you can do this method. So select it and then click on manage option and click on properties. After that, go to launch options and type in -dx11 and go to installed files in the left menu and select verify integrity of game files. That way any corrupted file will be automatically recovered and any missing file will be too. You need to wait for the process to finish. Don't panic if you do find any game files are downloading. And that's it. You can try relaunching the game again, but before doing that, I prefer going to the Windows icon and restart your computer, and that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.